Welcome to Vesper Cost Models, the powerful new feature that transforms commodity benchmarks into complete product pricing. There are two ways to build your first cost model, and today I'll show you both. Either using a pre-built template or creating a custom model from scratch. Let me walk you through each approach. Number one, the easiest and maybe the fastest way is using one of Vesper's pre-built templates. If you scroll down past your own models all the way down into the Vesper models, you can select one of the pre-built templates for key products that we've already built. Let's take the croissant as an example. Now you see the Vesper pre-built model. If you duplicate this, you can very easily change unit size, currency, ingredients, but also non-ingredient costs. You can add them, and we'll take the European ones, and then we will select bakery goods as we're looking at a croissant, and then it automatically pre-fills the share for raw material cost, labor cost, the average profit margin, overhead cost, and energy cost. If I now give this a custom name, so for instance, croissant recipe 1, I can save this, and I now have my own model. From here, you can very easily go back to the edit screen by pressing edit. But let's say you want to start from the ground up. The easiest thing to do is you once again go to the drop down and you select create new. From here, you give it a name. Let's say recipe 2. I select a unit size. So let's say I want to have 100 grams. I select a currency. And then from here, I just start adding products. I can either add a Vesper product. So I go into here and I select any product that I want. Let's go back to the butter and we'll add the butter price. Or you add a custom fixed product cost that you would like. Very easily adding a price, adding a cost share. From there, you add, once again, the non-ingredient costs, and we'll go back to the bakery goods, automatically pre-filling these, and from there you can save your model